Shatta Wale, Bulldog, Mr. Logic Andy Dosty Arnold Ntokwa in Trada. Yesterday in a live video, na Shatta Wale expose Bulldog, Mr. Logic Andy Dosty. Wa attack on bebre or say oni Bulldog ay tre som nyina pen wa attack Bulldog yere say arrest Mr. Logic ni ade say bebre osresra de obetumi afrɛ say ne ba prior our the nase in same bibiri Shatta Wale in a live video share ni nyina lengthy kakra or Yeslord TV is my compilation ni nyina they enjoy emra
by entertainment. Ghana no celebrity day. If man they talk, the people verse. Why you talking like no celebrity day Ghana? We don't get celebrity for Ghana. And the celebrities themselves they know. We don't get celebrity for Ghana. Which celebrity? Yeah, we also if you see me in medical, we also we look for money every time. Yeah, we want better one ourselves and make it cash to everybody around us. One better one ourselves. One better one us. That be all. Because the celebrity life way you want to live for Ghana said people they fight out. People they fight out. Somebody way he don't get sense, he won't fight you. Somebody way can work with you small way, problem way he make mistake. Then right now because he get access to radio and TV, he did radio. And Shatta Wale, I'm working with you don't know Shatta Wale mother. Hey Bulldog, you people you don't know me. Because Bulldog, the time I start bandana, you where you did? The time I be bandana, then you where you did? I want Bulldog. Have you made $1 million for I want? No, see I want to curse you. If I want in curse where they follow you, I want. In case where they follow you, I want. What you do, I want. You ruin the boy in career. Tell every DJ, make them not play I want in song, cause if you will bring them out. If in your life take there no. I want to make anything. If in today there no. If they try for himself. If I want them to get show, you don't get anything. You don't get any job they do. As I go see YouTube, then they give people 400 Ghana. They can see it FM, they give you 20 Ghana for transport. That want to be work. Hey, G Papa. The money I give you, I do I tell people. The money, Cardi B show, Cardi B can do show. If you Kofi Aban way negotiate that show for me, I go collect that. I say you go collect that money. As you come, I give you. That they said go collect that money. Said you come out some for top. Where I give you $12,000. I give you $12,000. Say make it add up and take change your car. That one you tell people kwa si onya e toto mi aboye. O do na onu. Bona mo go to money. You so smart, you don't get money today, you won't go court. Somebody where you don't get money, then you won't go court. You don't get money, but you won't go court. They for ban you. You the eat menses. Mr. Logic today for ban am. He ran out to the talk said maybe go see today. Mr. Logic call somebody. Wait, tell him say in daughter swallow bottle. As today right now, he call somebody where they tell him say toothbrush lock for in daughter here inside toothbrush. As today right now, Mr. Logic, he tell somebody right now say in daughter the last one no, he swallow chip for MTN, Airtel, and Ghana Telecom. Mr. Logic, as today right now. If they call somebody, say, be New Year, what did they do me? Right now, so they come, say, say, wind blow my car, my car go for KFC in front. They won't give you some format. Stupid format. You put the word for this guy. Stupid format. You don't get sense. People, you don't get sense. You are not qualified to be on radio. You, Andy Dosty, Ola Michael, Akwesi Abuaji, you see all those squad, that Miss G, those play. Miss G, the time where I talk about Nana McBrown, say, Nana McBrown for leave UTV. If I stop that program, plenty people can fight inside and saw Nana McBrown. But today, see, she lived there. When Shatta they talk, when I talk out of the spiritual realm, then laymen with common eyes won't ask God question. As I talk, see, Nana McBrown, the program she do, they worry her, she for leave. People can talk that they insult Nana McBrown. God, there's Saturday, I always now. Today, Nana McBrown, they on your TV. She's happy. She's doing what she wants to do. As I talk that thing, people fight me. And I go bring this foolish Miss G girl candidate into social nonsense. In voice self not the be the program self nobody they feel pay attention to him again. Yawa. All those people, they did hung. They did hung. Masa, you see this 2024? If you don't take your time, you go take camera, can the video you put your houses and take show the masses. Make they see say if who they talk, make who listen. Yeah, they talk. Anybody who know Bulldog? I say Bulldog. He dey room inside. You know be house. He be room. There they born am for. Where he born pickings for there. That where he marry for. The room. Mattress dey ground. Mattress dey ground. Mattress dey ground. Bulldog. Can see TV to them wear jalabia, then be like the big man. They can't do that. I think the music industry makes the vote like, guys, make it make it if you not take care, people go lie you for this word, You go to watch. We like watch dressing and we take judge people. If you watch dressing, they go take dressing lie you, and I tell you something. You go take dressing. Anybody, if like anybody way the face and like, make you go at the back right and go and say where Bulldog is still. Take camera. Go Bulldog here so that I can go see. Bulldog.
Caleb Yeslord TV. Subscribe. Also subscribe. We are notification bell on so yeah the content for we are to my word to me. Thanks for watching. Bye.